this model here, and this model is to show what happens to the land once a river is going to flood. So here's the river, it has water in it. And I made some trees with clay as the land. So then there's already clean water, and then I'm going to dump dirt water in there. Oh no, it's going to flood. It's flooding! Oh my gosh. So look at what happened to the land. All the rocks, literally, they went into there, and some shooted out the sides.
What would happen if it kept raining?
It would all get higher and higher and higher and higher. Wow. And look at this. This tree even got wet. Oh my God. And if it kept raining, these trees would probably fall down. Yeah. So, oh my gosh, that was crazy. Look at the land. The land, it's destroyed. All that beautiful green is gone with dirt. And it melted. And now there's more water in the flooded river. Look at trees and destruction. So, a day after the flood, this is what here is the remains of the flood, of what happened. So there's rocks and sticks that has been deposited on the land. And some of the water has been absorbed in the land. And now the water, you can actually see through it. You can see all those rocks at the bottom. And some are out on all the land and all the dirt and